Hello and welcome to the channel of Connect Infosystems LLP. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can process delivery order in 3 steps: pick, pack and ship. The items will be picked to be transferred to a packing area, then they will be moved to an output location before being effectively shipped to the customers. Let us now start and try doing it. In inventory menu, I'm going to configuration and then settings. Here I enable multi-step routes. I'm going to save it. And then in configuration, select warehouses. I'm going to edit it. Select 3-step outgoing shipment. Now click on configuration and then routes. Here 3 steps automatically generated. Here you can see there are 3 rules: stock to packing zone to output, and then output to customer location. So now in product menu, we will need to create a product, fill all the informations as we need it. Now going to the inventory tab and select here route. I'm going to save it. Then navigate to the sales, and now I create a quotation, fill all the information as I need it, add your product table, add quantity, and then save and confirm it. Here you can see delivery smart button. Here you can see the status of my product. Now go back to the inventory tab, click on pick and validate this order, apply. Here you can see status changed from ready to done state. Now go back to the pick, validate it, and then delivery order. I'm going to validate it. Now navigate back to the sale order. Here you can see the status change from ready to done state. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.